Hello users. In this video, I will tell you how you can change your Shabd username. When you create your new account on Shabd allots you a new random number to your profile ID, which you can see in the URL here for this username. Okay, so let's say that we want to change this particular username. To do that, you have to go to the settings, which you can access from your display profile, which is available at the header. Click on the settings button. This will bring you to the settings page. At the very top of the page, you will see the username section. It has a few restrictions. For example, you should not use any special symbols or any numbers. The length must be between 3 to 20 characters. So let's find out if any username that we look out for is available. Let's remove the Kulkarni from this username and keep it Priya, a short and simple username. So this username is available, and what we will do, we will click on change. So you see that it has been successfully updated. Now what we will do, we will copy this username and we will switch to another account. Let's say a different account. Now we visit to shabd.com/Priya, and as you can see, this is how everyone can see your profile. Thank you.